Hi, I'm Peter with Our Time to Fly. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Blu Technology water filtration system and the reason why my wife and I moved to this system away from what we were using before. Before we were using a Clear 2.0 water pre-sediment filter along with the Clear 2.0 blue water filters that you would buy at Walmart, Camping World, or other RV stores. These, we noticed, did not really filter the water out as you would have expected to. So today, I received my Blu Technology water filtration system. I received my water softener. I have the hoses here that go with it. This here is a filter recharge, and then in here is the filter system. I have yet to open up the filter system. It is the AR3 filter system from Blu Technology, and it is a 3-stage filter system that I purchased to go ahead and filter our water. So included with our is a thank you letter from Blu Technology thanking us for our order. Here is a 90-degree elbow, the water pressure gauge, the water splitter to put on the faucet, a bag to put the filter system in when we're transporting it. This is the tool that is used to remove the filter covers. Okay. This here is the 3-stage filter system. Here's another hose. And then here is the 5-foot hose. As you can see, we elected to go ahead and order the complete system. Okay. With this, we're gonna hook up our RV to see what kind of water filtration that we can get out of it. Currently, when we did the water testing, we tested us with extremely hard water. Okay. So with that, it has put calcium linings on the hoses and on the pressure gauge and all of the items that we use. There's even calcium buildup on the faucets inside the RV. So we're hoping to remove those. So here I'm going to go ahead and unpack the water softener. And in the water softener, they sent this quick connect here. Okay. And then this is the stainless steel water softener. It is a 10,000 grain water softener, which is good for up to 30 days or 1,000 gallons, and then you can recharge it. And to recharge it, you just use a container of table salt from the local grocery store. That would work sufficient. The filters in the filter system here, they're good for up to 4 months before you need to change them, depending on how dirty the water is that you're filtering. Okay. The system they have on here, when you look at this here, they have a longevity, a tasty, and a 2-micron filter. Okay. So this here will help, prevent you from getting the dirt and debris and the calcium and iron in your system and take it out. And then this here will soften the water so that your water feels good and tastes good. It'll help prevent you from having issues with your water heater, issues with your faucets, your showers, It'll, you know, make you feel clean when you're done taking a shower. Okay, so they sent this little tool here, and this little tool here is used to open up the filter. What you do is you put it in here and you turn it, and it loosens up the filter housing here so that you can take the filter off. Okay, and in doing so, it allows you to change your filter. You just have to unscrew it here, and then as you unscrew it, it comes off, and then in here is your filter. And you just replace these every 3 to 4 months, and you'll notice that they change, okay, over time with the flow of your water into your RV. Get that in there straight. Screw it on there, and then you tighten it back down with this little tool here. And then once you have it tight, you turn it on and check for leaks. We also got a bag here for our water softener so that it makes it easier to carry and store from Blu Technology. Okay, like I said, this here is the recharge filter system. Okay, here we have a 90-degree elbow, which they sent, that comes in the kit so that you can connect it directly to your RV water connection. Then here is the 3-way splitter. You put this on the water faucet, okay, and it allows you to split up the water so you have 3 different ways to connect. So if you have like a separate connection for your clean out tank, and then this here is your this here is the water pressure gauge. Okay. There's a 25-foot hose here, okay, in the box here. This is a 5-foot stainless steel for connecting your water softener to your filter, and then there's one to connect your water softener to your trailer, and then here's a 25-foot one to connect your water from the water spigot to the filter